Hi, this is Damien Huze from W+R Studios. I'm head of design here, and I wanted to show you a quick demo of how to search inside of Cloud MLX. So real estate agents are really used to finding properties and listings on the MLS through this type of interface. It's got a ton of fields, options, toggles, etc. It's almost like you need a manual just to run your first search. We realized that many of the searches actually require just a few fields and would be much easier to run if you'd have a simpler interface. So we came up with this alternative approach. It's a little bit more like the way you would search Google. So there's a nice big field to start, and you can kind of think of this as searching the way you think about a search. So for example, if I'm doing a comp search in Boulder for, I don't know, Boulder condos that have closed or sold in the past 6 months, maybe in the 400K to 600K range, I've actually created very quickly the search I'm looking for. Now I can name this Boulder condo comps 6 months, right? And save it. That's it. That's all there is to it. Now with that, I can go into the results here and maybe set up alerts for myself in Cloud Streams, or I can print these out for a meeting. I can email it. I can share it with clients. I can even go and select some of these. Maybe they're good comps and I want to add them to a CMA. So I can actually select this here and make a CMA report, or I can make a buyer tour. So very quick to run the search and very quick to integrate to the other tools inside the Cloud Agent Suite. Here's another search to search for. So say I've got some buyers that are interested in Lafayette, and they're looking for, I don't know, 3 to 5 bedrooms, pretty broad, 2 to 4 baths. Let's look for active properties only. But specifically, they're kind of looking more in a specific neighborhood. So this neighborhood here is around Wanaka Lake. So let me go ahead and draw a custom shape. It could be a polygon or a rectangle or what have you. And I'm actually going to name it because I want to be able to pull this area up in future searches. So I'm saving this as Wanaka Lake. And then let me just remove Lafayette and just focus on Wanaka Lake. So now I've really zoned in on a custom area that I've named and would be great for these clients I'm working on. Now I can name this Wanaka for the Smiths and save it. That's all there is to it. Now I have this at my disposal. I can check on it. I can send them listings when I need to. I can even set up a stream if I want to send automatic alerts to those clients or to myself. Another thing too is, as I find homes, I may want to put them in a special collection or a folder. So we have this add to collection option down here. So say this is, I don't know, the Smiths. I already have them here. So I can go ahead and add this to the Smith collection. So now that I go back and I go home, you'll notice a couple things. So the area that I created, which was this Wanaka Lake, is now an area I can draw or search upon. If I go to collections, I'll see that I have a Smith collection with a couple homes that I put in there for them, which I can share with them or I can pull, very easily. So for example, the Smiths, I can search for that. My search has gotten smarter as I've sort of used the tool. Same thing with Wanaka. What if I want to start a new search for Wanaka Lake? Well, I can have that as a basic search. I can look for comps. So let's just look at closed properties. I don't know, 6 months back. There. Now I'm seeing everything that's sold in that Wanaka area in the last 6 months. So really your search bar is getting smarter as you use it, as you save areas, as you create collections, so on and so forth. So we think it's a very simple, straightforward way for you to keep your hands on your keyboard and do a lot of the searches that you need to do every day. And it integrates really well with Cloud CMA, Cloud Streams, and so on. Hope that was helpful. Thanks.